Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I just finished making another game called another jetpack game, The Search for Hoverboard Bird. It's like this. So you're just adventuring here and there's some enemies. Okay, keep going. So there's this mountain with more enemies, and then there's another huge, well, it's not really a mountain, with where you find the duck, and then there's a warp pipe, but be careful because there's an enemy, and you keep going up here, then there's spikes, platforms. Then this, and then go down here, and there's this, and then some lava that will kill you. I only have 6 hearts. It's right here. And you win. So that's just my game, and I'll see you when I make another game.